a guide you to check unaccepted follow request on your Instagram. So if you need to find the people who doesn't accepted your follow request, all you can do is that you can go to your profile, tap on the three over there, and you can go to your activity. If you scroll down, there you can find download your information. In the download your information, it will take you to the page where you need to download all the information. You can tap on download information. So if you need to download information for Instagram, tap on Instagram and tap on next. There you can find all available information and it will show you every detail of your Instagram since from your Instagram created. You can download to that device or transfer to the destination wherever you want. And here you can check for how you need to get that information, whether in the medium quality or higher quality, or otherwise in the format like HTML or JSON. So you can notify to your email. And if you tap on create files, that will be created and downloaded to the file and it will take some days. And there you can check unaccepted follow request. Thank you.